this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the bonus wheel spacers on your Maserati GT. Let's go. After installing 1-inch wheel spacers, they will increase about 25mm back spacing for your wheels. Whether you upgrade to larger wheels or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing issues. Wheel spacers will reduce the wheel gap, which improves the cosmetic and stability. Certainly, most car looks better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced and the tires flush with the fender. If you are trying to achieve a unique sporty appearance, consider a proper set of wheel spacers. Wheel spacers will be helpful in upsizing your wheels. If you get a set of alloy wheels that don't quite fit your car because of height offset, wheel spacers will make the offset lower. By pushing the wheel further away from the hub assembly, they avoid potential rubbing issues. To ensure a safe wheel rotation, you will need more back spacing for brake calipers. Big aftermarket brakes require more space between the wheels and the hub assembly. By creating more back spacing, wheel spacers clear big brake clearance issues effectively. If you want to get the bonus wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day!